You're probably visiting my website because you're politely stalking me. Don't worry, I do the same, and I've probably already looked at yours too. While you're here, you probably want to know who I am, how I'm qualified, what I do, and what my approach is, what results I get, and why we're flipping awesome. So let's just run through all of that right now. I started the Media Mark because I wanted to help businesses create content that sells for them 24/7, and that worked for some time. But what I noticed is that keeping businesses at the forefront of their customers' minds means that you have to change tactics over time, which is why I'm dedicated to excelling in one industry, home buying. Now, you may call yourself a cash buyer, a home buyer, an investor, a rehabber, a real estate investor, a flipper, or an HGTV wannabe. It doesn't matter. If you want more motivated seller opportunities, we can help.
But shh, don't let your competitors know that you discovered us.
Now, we may or may not have spoken about one of the more recent tactics, which is building a 3-part motivated seller system, using smart media ads to attract the right sellers, and using social media and website videos that filter and pre-frame before any call, and CRM automation that follows up fast so you talk to leads before anyone else. So let's talk a little bit more about how we can build you a customized, constantly developing system that keeps you at the front of home buying in any market. My home buying client receives 61 qualified leads at $95 per qualified lead. And using Maria's 10% conversion rate, that's 6 contracts, which overall leads to a contract acquisition cost of $963 from the $5,780 that they spent. Now, we actually brought them 92 leads, and they qualified 61. And then the excess 31 leads were sent immediately to their real estate partner through CRM automation. This allowed their partner to reach out immediately while the iron was still hot. How does it sound for you to capitalize on referral revenue without any extra work? Pretty soon, I'll be losing your attention because the entire world is suffering from ADHD with current technology. So let's get a call on the calendar where I will further explain the motivated seller system and how we can customize it to your business. Just be mindful that I only work with one flippin' awesome business per market. If you want to be the exclusive home buying company in your area with the motivated seller system, just book your flippin' call below. Wait, why are you still here? The button is below.